Okay, you guys, so I can finally get back on Valentine's Day. As you guys know, if you've been watching my videos, you know I have been doing Amaya's Disney Princess Party favors and treats. So, you guys, it's finally over. And now I can jump back into my Valentine's videos. Yay! So today I am going to be doing a hot lips bouquet, you guys. Um, and I'm going to tell you what you guys will need to do this hot lips bouquet. First of all, I'm using a candy mold, and it is the large lips, and it's a three cavity mold. But these lips are large, you guys. And I ordered this off of Amazon, and I think it probably was like $5 and some change. Last year I ordered, no, a couple years ago. But I'm going to be using my hot lips mold, and in my bouquet I'm going to be adding, guess what, you guys? Marshmallows. So I'm going to do a mixture of marshmallows and the lips. Okay, you don't have to use marshmallows if you don't want to, but I wanted to incorporate them in my bouquet, you guys. And this isn't gonna be a glass vase bouquet. It's gonna be the paper bouquet, you guys. So what I have my Pyrex, my glass Pyrex. I have red candy melts made by Wilton. I have my lollipop sticks. I have my little plastic bags and ties when I finish the lollipops to wrap them in, you guys. I have my coconut oil, my wax paper, my Valentine sprinkles, over here, you guys, I have some gift wrapping Valentine's paper. I have my tape. And you guys, I'm using the, what is this called? The postal wrapping paper. I'm going to use this in my bouquet too, you guys. So let's jump right into this video. And first, I am going to melt my chocolate. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take my Pyrex glass and I'm going to pour 1 cup of the candy melts for now. And I'm going to add my half teaspoon of coconut oil, and I'm going to melt my chocolates, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so I have melted my chocolate. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take my lips mold, and I'm just going to start pouring my chocolate in here, filling the cavity up. And I'm going to try to go almost to the top. And I'm going to move on to the next one. Start pouring. And I'm going to do the last one, you guys. Okay. And what I'm going to do now is take my cavity and kind of tap it a little. Tap it a little bit more. And I'm going to take my sticks and I'm going to place them all the way to the top, you guys. Do this one the same. And one more. And then I'm going to take this cavity and I'm going to set it in my freezer for about 7 minutes, you guys. And then I'm going to take it back out and they should be done. So I'm going to pop these in my freezer and I'll be back. Okay guys, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drizzle my marshmallows with my red candy melts. And I'm going to add my sprinkles on. So let me go ahead and drizzle. I want to get these too, you guys. And now I'm just going to add on the sprinkles that I want on there. Excuse me, guys. I'm gonna do another heart one, I think. I'm spilling these hearts everywhere. Okay. And it does want to dry fast, so if they start drying fast, you can just take some more of your candy melts. Just drizzle it on there. Okay, and I'm going to do one more. The gold and pink. So, I have my marshmallows drizzled and sprinkled. So I'm going to let these dry for about 5 minutes and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so my marshmallows have dried. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these marshmallows and I have already stacked them how I want them to be. So I'm just going to take my stick and insert it at the bottom all the way to the top. See, there's one. Hold it. I know you guys, I don't have my handy dandy gloves, but these are just for demonstration. And the last one, you guys, take my stick and just stick it from the bottom up And now I have got them on my sticks. So now what I'm going to do is show you guys this. This right here was a big, huge gift bag, you guys. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to use it for decorative purposes on the marshmallows. So you know how when you go to the flower shop and they do the flowers in the bouquet and they take their decorative paper and they put it on the stick with the flower. That's what I'm going to do right here. So what I have did was cut this bag open, and this was a huge gift bag, you guys. So I split it open, and now what I'm going to do is take corners and cut square pieces. Once I come around, you guys will see. See, I'm cutting it in squares like this. Like this. Okay, and I'm going to cut another one. So I'm going to do, here's another one, you guys. 2. Got 3 here. 4. 5. And I'm gonna do 6, you guys. 'Cause I'm doing a bouquet of 6. 6. Okay. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I have my squares cut out. I'm going to take these marshmallows and I'm going to take my paper and I'm going to hold it in the palm of my hand. I'm going to take the marshmallow and I'm just going to stick it right through the middle of this paper. And see, I'm going to pull this up over the stick. And I'm going to twist it on so it'll stay. So it's going to be like this, you guys. Okay. Okay, I got it. So now, the part that I twisted on the stick, down here when I'm holding with my thumb, I'm just going to take some tape and I'm going to tape it down. So let me grab a piece of tape. I'm going to take my tape and just tape it around like this, and see, I got it on there. Put that one aside. And I want to go to the next one. Do the same thing. Hold it in the palm of my hand. Take my stick of my marshmallow and just poke a hole straight through. Pull your paper up to your marshmallow. Up. Gonna take it the bottom and you're gonna start twisting it around. Twisting it around. Twisting it around. You're gonna grab your tape and tape it. And this is an easy DIY project too, you guys. If you want to do something special for someone and you want it to mean something, but you want to do it yourself, this is the perfect project to do. Treat making project, I should say, to do. So we're going to put that one to this on the tray and move on to the next one. And I'm going to do it the same exact way, you guys. Yeah, you guys don't, if you know anybody that's throwing a Disney princess party, make sure that you direct them to my YouTube page so they can see the different ideas that I use in my niece's party. You guys make sure to tell them to like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. So a lot of people think I'm more like a kids theme person, but that's not the case. I do all themes, kid, adult themes, for parties, everything. Yeah, there's a lot more you can do with kid themes, but adult themes I do too. Like casino, casino nights. I don't know, just different, almost anything, you guys, I can do. So if you have any suggestions or anything you want to see or want to know if I can do, comment in the comment section. So I got them all papered down and tied up, you guys. So I'll be back to show you the suckers. Wait a minute, you said what? I don't care what they say. Don't leave off my page without subscribing to my channel.